Hey friends, welcome back to Chattanooga. But we're headed out to meet a friend of ours who some of you may know as the Kilted Adventurer.
We will link him down below. His name is Toby. He is our YouTube friend. He loves to hike. He lives here in Chattanooga, and what sets him apart from everyone else is he hikes in a kilt.
You couldn't figure that out from his
Well,
name.
it's kind of a given in the name, but we enjoy his videos, and he's very knowledgeable about, hidden gems of the hiking world. And we are hiking with him somewhere called Glen Falls.
Yep, so we're doing that this morning. Then we've got the train ride scheduled for this afternoon. And if we have time, there's a hike here at the campgrounds that we'd like to do today.
Yeah, we're trying to do as much as possible. There's so much here in Chattanooga, though. I had no idea.
So yesterday we were in town more. Today we're probably going to be out hiking and riding the train and doing a lot of that stuff.
Yeah.
So I think we're getting a full Chattanooga experience.
Cool.
Alright, so we will pick you guys back up once we get to the trail, I guess. We made it to the trail, and we've got Mr. Kilted Adventurer with us, aka Toby. We're at Glen Falls right now, and it's about you said a half-mile hike?
About a half mile in, half mile back.
Half mile in, half-mile back, so that should be good for the boys.
I'm just recording you recording. You're fine.
You're wrecking the shot. She always does this. Yeah, we're having a really good time. Great conversation so far. So this guy's a real cool guy. Be sure you check out his channel. Obviously, he walks around in a kilt, so that's cool. I think we're going to head up to the falls and check it out.
See you soon.
this hike was about perfect.
Gorgeous.
It wasn't too long, and it was not too steep, but
No.
just enough to where we could all enjoy ourselves.
I loved the cave that I didn't even know there was a cave here, but
Yeah,
kind of
we showed that to
explored.
Toby.
I didn't know either. Good
Yeah,
eyes.
it was so pretty. Love it. We don't have anything like this in Florida.
Obviously.
Obviously, yeah.
We're gonna move on to our next activity, and
Which
Thank
will
you
be
for
a
inviting.
train.
Yeah. Oh, no, we had a
Absolutely.
great
Absolutely.
Yep.
Oh, and follow Toby at the Kilted Adventurer.
so funny.
Money.
We're a little bit early for the train, so we are at the tap house and just got a drink. And we just ordered a bunch of sides.
I am having sake. First time.
So we're gonna get our food and then head back over to the train because we parked the car there.
Need a pretzel to go.
Yeah. So we had to hurry because we're trying to catch the train that we bought tickets for. But I had something called a sake mule. I don't know if I'm saying sake right. Is it sake or sake? I don't know.
I think you got it.
Regardless, it was delicious. And now we're gonna hustle over to the train, so we'll take you along. Here we go. Look at our cute little town we're in. So cute.
Alright, we did the train. Honestly, the train's not worth it.
Oh, what?
You get up there and there's nothing to do.
What?
You got a different opinion?
I like the train itself. I mean, it does take you to a gift shop, which we're not really wanting any more
There's a
clutter.
gift shop at the bottom also.
Yeah, no, I thought it was so fun, and I'd do it again. But we're allowed to have different views and opinions.
It was fun, but I mean, you just sat there on the train, it went up the
Yeah.
mountain, and then you walked around up there and looked at the view down and came down. You guys can be the judge.
Yeah.
Is it nice and slow? Not a lot going on. We're heading back to the camper, and we're going to try to do one more hike, but it is getting dark, so I don't know that it's going to happen, but we're going to try. We'll see you there. Alright friends, we're back at the camper and we're not going to try to do the hike tonight. It's starting to get dark outside and it's quite rocky. This is our last night here at Raccoon Mountain Campgrounds and Caverns.
For being here, if you've made it this far, and we're getting there.